at the Politricks watch. This is Sir P. Today I'm going to talk about Vybz, king of the Irish Saxons. Him drop down in the club. I'm going to tell you why Vybz fans them don't mean him no good. Vybz snowflake don't mean him no good. Although we understand why, because she's really his handler. So I don't really expect much better, but Sheep Nation really not mean Vybz no good. If you gas up Vybz, if you encourage Vybz, if you live so knowing the condition him in. I go play all the video of them and carry Vybz to the club. We're watching the disintegration of Vybz right before our very eyes. It has to be studied. Before we go into that, my Patreon birthday shout out. This one goes out to a real veteran of the PIA movement. A real veteran of the Patreon squad. I talk about Andre, I talk about Dre for life. When I reason about certain things, a high level reasoning I talk about. One of the few people them who say certain things to me and really say, hold on there. Hold on there, you sure? You not work with the Mossad? You sure you not work with MI6, FBI, CIA? Or you even know them things there? Them things that I mention on news, them things that I mention on YouTube videos. High level! Andre, big up yourself. Big up your family. Big up your youth them. Just big up. We don't have to say much because you don't know the ratings style already. Live long and prosper, seeing that's Dre for life from the Patreon squad. We can move into the video. Vybz is disintegrating before our very eyes. It has to be studied. Has to be documented. Vybz, you think so it go? Vybz, the system we're sending back a road. A man-made system that. I tell you, so the beating where you get Vybz is a divine beating. If you're in a little jail cell, nobody wouldn't see the disintegration. Now it's on full display. Has to be studied. Vybz, you think say all the people them who you make ball, people who not even involved in a little fool war them. People them a Waterford where you make dead when you have more war. It won't have no business, them not keep it bounce on yourself. Make the woman dead. When you hear say the pit of them never get killed, Vybz, you cuss. When Vybz hear say the man never kill the pit of them, Vybz cuss. The amount of ghetto youths Vybz give gun, send go up on program, and then set them up to make 87 or police kill them. Vybz thinks so it go. Vybz, do not choke until the massacre video drop. Hold out, youth. Vybz, anyway, if you find the strength from, find it. See me all I encourage you to be healthy because more you stick around longer, Vybz, more you see the massacre video. And the Jackie video, Vybz, the amount of youth where your program, give gun to fight war, you and them fall out, set man up to kill them, and then run the retaliation for them, and make two-sided war. When the side of people came to them and rally back and never know nothing about the killing because it was you behind both of them. Don't croak before that massacre video, Vybz. Don't croak before that Jackie video. Remember that bike. Same bike there where Jackie follow up got dead. Remember it. Your Sheep Nation can't help you, guy. Can't help you. Now, Vybz Snowflake, who is really a top agent, but down the road now see how that work out. Remember say Vybz a fool, girl clown, you know. In time look sell and woman just come out of nowhere, just fall in love with him. Notice when time Vybz a deal with Jamaican woman and black woman, him do the thing with them. He made urinate upon them, defecate upon them, but him don't even want breeze to blow upon him precious snowflake. Well now see how that work out for him. He gonna learn the hard way. Up and down with him precious snowflake till the mother drop down. Most people have to lift him up and I carry him. Look on Vybz. And by the way, security guy. The man them want to carry Vybz in this video. Don't ever disrespect Vybz like this ever again. Let him get up. I mean, he tough, right? Security guy, don't disrespect Barabbas again. That is Barabbas, king of the Irish Saxons. If you see him drop down, let him get up. Don't disrespect Daddy Devil like that. He's tough. Not carry Barabbas like someone disabled child not carry. You know who that is? That's Barabbas, king of the Irish Saxons. That's Daddy Devil. We now make the man thing look watered down. Not because him drop down, that means him drop down. Suppose arrest him arrest. Don't disrespect Barabbas ever again, security guy. Let him get up on his own accord. He tough, right? That's Daddy Devil. How dare you offer your puny mortal help to Daddy Devil? No one self, security guy. You want to look hype and fame? You want to go down in history for help Barabbas? Let him get up. Sheep Nation vile, because they might encourage Barabbas. Yeah man, I say if do road, my general, do road. If them did rape Barabbas, I tell Barabbas to stay in the yard. Barabbas, stay in your yard. Get your health together, you foolish Irish Saxon. Why would you encourage Barabbas up and down every night? Night Jude up on top of Barabbas. Every night, Barabbas at the road. This is a man that is supposedly sick. I'm telling you, Irish Saxon, that's some of the wickedest people ever see. The same people on them page where I say free Barabbas. I see them people that make fun of Barabbas now. Man, I lick me and say, yo, Barabbas foot and look like noodle. Like cup soup noodle. I mean, so if you say that by your general. No one has a free Barabbas for the same people them a crack all kind of jokes and memes of Barabbas. Has to be studied. Barabbas a behave like one chopper where just start make money. Barabbas no claim same rich how long. Mad sus. Tell Barabbas to slow down. Tell Barabbas slow down or else you're going to end up a widow. Or is it a widower? How does that work? I don't know the dynamics of that go. But mad sus. Tell him to ease himself. Tell him to stay home. Tell him to get him held together. If Sheep Nation did really rate Barabbas, I'm going to tell him, say, yo, stay home. Look after yourself. Everybody will link me about Barabbas. I tell me the same thing. Then can't believe what Barabbas is, I'm going to look on. Then me I say, if I saw it bad, then what am I do on the road? But Barabbas snowflake and Barabbas friend them up and down with him in the night too. Up and down with him. Till him all a drop down. King Barabbas after get escorted out of club. Trying to put on a brave face. Typical dumb Irish Saxon Negro. He prioritized hype and excitement over his health and longevity. The man is a fool. But him smarter than Sheep Nation, so I guess that counts as something. I'm telling about the whole 13-second sprinter thing versus 15-second sprinter. So Sheep Nation, oh, Barabbas a genius because they're 15-second sprinters. See, when you run 100 meters in 15 seconds and you buck up on somebody who can run it in 13 seconds, that person look like Usain Bolt, you know. In reality, 2 hours slow. That's the sheep and the shepherd. Barabbas, get your health together, dummy. We're not talking about clothes and boot. We're not talking about car. Foolish, Barabbas a brush 50. When is he going to grow up? Barabbas, get your health together. And by the way, Barabbas just touch road and Barabbas hype already have faith. People are telling me say them tired of Barabbas. Barabbas is a fool. If I was Barabbas, the day me walk out of jail, you not see me until you see me on that stage show. But Barabbas that road, people tired of Barabbas already. People all say them reminded why they never like Barabbas. People all say them get caught up in the hype when him just touch road. I know them I remember why they never like Barabbas. It's madness. It's madness. Barabbas come on like a pro box. Vybz pro box. Stay in the yard, youth. Them say me bad mind and me and fear give them advice. When a Sheep Nation feared, Barabbas, stay in the yard, youth. Get your health together. I want you to watch the Mastica video. I want you there run long enough to watch the Jackie video. I don't want to do it posthumously. Barabbas is in a real bad state. What kind of state show? How long ago I ask you, say, what kind of stage show Barbas can put on a film condition? You can't stand up in a nightclub for half an hour. It is shambolic. Barbas, stay in the yard, you. Stay in the yard. Barbas, what you're trying to feel inside of your dirty heart cannot be filled with clothes, boot, car, and jewelry. Barbas, seek help. You're brush 50. And you still act like a 19-year-old who just boss. Barbas supposed to now be an elder statesman. You fans them, you quote-unquote fans them. They don't love you. What them love is what you offer. Death, destruction, and degeneracy. And now that you're not offering it through your hits, because the hits them dry up, they must start to turn by you. Because they don't love a DJ Palmer. Them love Vybz Kartel. Just like when your snowflake got tattoo Kartel on her arm. She should be in love with Adija. She should have tattooed Adija. Because when you go home, you should be able to be Adija. But you have to be Kartel 24/7. Because a Kartel, the people them like. Barbas is more common than a pro box. Barbas has removed all the mystery, all the anticipation surrounding him. That's the difference between hype and substance, because substance can be measured. The first day Barbas come out in Japan project, peak hype, peak interest. He will never get so much interest ever in his life again. The name Barbas will never be as searched and as circulated as the day when time he come out. Except for the day when time he eventually drop out. But until that day, he will never see hype like that again. And Barbas drop a project, drop one quote-unquote EP. And the EP was PP. PP and Feces. It has to be studied. Them say, yo, everybody you talk about Barbas 3, you look at hype. But Sheep Nation put the look of YouTuber name in them video them. But Sheep Nation make millions of videos about me, so does that mean they're looking at hype from me? So that's how it worked then. Alright, me I look at hype from Barbas' name, and Sheep Nation I look at hype from my name. See? All is fair. Of course, I don't actually need to talk about Barbas to get people interested. But just do one video with you on one old Bakra history video where history is one of the most boring topics to most people. And over 100,000 people watch it. You never have nothing to do with no murder. Never have nothing to do with no artist. I don't have to talk about Barbas, but I'm going to. Because it has to be studied and documented, and that's what I'm doing. Or Tesha and Blackman to come a road a morning. I'm gonna make videos about them. That would be stupid. I've been making videos about them all along. Why would I stop now? Sheep Nation. Telling the general to stay in yard. Telling the general to get some rest. Snowflake, aka Top Agent. We know say your mission kinda different, but find it in your heart somewhere. To encourage Barbas to rest. Before him end up and made a rest. Before the Jackie and Massacre video drop. And before the video end, let me just say this. Who no quote unquote Jamaican woman. We follow back a Barbas and soon live on a stage where they do all kind of things. There's a reason why I don't want to get the outcomes on again. Barbas telling already. When I think about no found or how I want to look. I want to represent. I'm still willing to go skin out. Say a hype and a repost. But when you get the outcomes one deserve, big up the Jamaican woman them who still have some kind of pride about themselves. Big up the Jamaican woman them who, even though they enjoy themselves now in the bedroom with their partner and doing the thing, nobody can soon up on stage or do certain things. Because the member so not pitney. And the member said nothing will come off of the internet. And then image will live forever. So they can't just power what do. When they keep on the thing on the bedroom, big up them woman there. You know some of them must still exist. Barbas, get some rest. Get some rest more than see the Jackie and the Massacre video. Patreon squad, big up on yourself. PIA, You don't know. More life. Ultra Squad. Stay circling. Bless.